Formula Weekenders. It's Saturday and we're on Formula Fans Phone. Let's hit the Formula Weekenders. Whack! Let's hit the Formula Weekenders. Whack! Hey, I got an idea. We can have a campfire. Yeah, to celebrate Easter holiday special in Formula Weekenders. Yeah, we can have a campfire. Me, you, buddy, R2D2 and BB8. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. What do you think, Formula fan? Okay, we can have a campfire. Hooray! Alright, we can have it. So, Formula Fan iPad, it needs repairs because it's a overweight cat destroys Formula Fan's iPad. So, we'll teach that cat a lesson soon. So, he will get it repaired. So, I'm here with Tails and Simon. Tails, what are you doing today? Relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Okay, you're relaxing. I'm relaxing too. You can't relax all day, but we get bored. Oh, okay. So, we can do something else today. Like what? Like going outside and play. That's a good idea. But you can't do that. But we can't go outside and leave you alone. You need an assistant like us. You're all my assistant. Yeah, all my assistant. What? Hang on. Goodbye, Croydon. I'll see you in the summer. This is a final time in spring. wonderful. Look, there's Pink. There's my cousin. Sometimes he's fat. He didn't go to the gym. The thing is why? Because he eat too many food, yeah? Hang on, I'll show you. So on my way to my cousin's room. Oh, they're packing for going to Thailand tour in Asia. And look at this place. It's ruined. Look at his room. My cousin was packed of mess. Look. Look at that. Look at this. That's my cousin. That's his TV. Look. There's spoons. There's some carpentry. There's a fridge. This is gonna get rotten, get mice. Look, crumbs. Everything. Oh dear. There's coins on the floor. Yeah, this place is a mess. Old toy cars. This? I don't know. It's rubbish. Tyler's room, my cousin Tyler's room is awful. Look at this mouse. It catch mice and rats. Oh dear.
Let me play that game.
What game? The one I was just playing?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that you're drinking?
Shoot them! Press X! XX! We've done it! How do you turn this?